Okay, we just restarted where we left off a moment ago. I don't like the videos that are too long. Sometimes I have problems loading them in the computer and all that kind of stuff, so the shorter ones are better. That's a wheel like off the back of my bike, that one right there. Mine's been chromed though.
Yeah, model 74.
Dang, no lower tubes on that frame.
You don't want to break it up, right?
You know, I was thinking, I woke up this morning and said, you know what I need is LEDs all over the bottom of my motorcycle.
That's your antenna. However, you can wire this to a bike, and you can put this to a bolt on the bike, and it will turn your whole bike into an antenna.
Well, I don't need any stop signs. Actually, the weather is pretty pleasant. T-shirt weather, a little cool because it's the morning still. Woohoo! Shoot, what am I looking at over here? Huh? You tell me. Some type of trike frame, maybe? I'm gonna come on down to this end of the whole thing and then do my own walkthroughs. You know, if I can find something cheaper, a set of short shocks or something, a set of rear crash bars. Looks like a hit and miss motor that someone put on a mobile type wooden frame. Is that mobile or is that mobile? Good morning. Good morning. All right. What do you think so far, Rod?